Yeah, so here we are at the New York City Maker Faire already.
2018.
2018. We're recording the podcast from here today, and over there is the, what is it called? The Maker Dinner or Maker Night. So yeah, we'll check in later.
Which could be a good thing, but sometimes it's not. It's missed the community aspect and missed the kind of personal investment of people weighing in and making it happen. When when a family member engages you in this, that means a lot.
Yes.
You know, and you think about things again. Cooking is kind of an interesting analogy to me, or even music. You know, if a family member teaches you how to play a musical instrument or how to cook, you know, that's how it should be, right?
Yeah. It becomes part of your family.
Yeah, right. And it's part of what holds you together as a family.
Yeah.
Hey guys, get ready for day 2. If you like the interview that you heard a part of from Dale Doherty, I'm going to put a link below for the rest of the interviews we did. So check it out, and let's get going with day 2. Go inside.
Well, I think one of the reasons we started this event was to spread this idea, but more, you know, in action, I always say make more makers is the goal of Maker Faire, and to introduce it to people by not talking to them, but letting them see and experience making, see what other people do, the creative work, and you kind of just get the feel of it walking around. You see all these different things that are moving around, robots and games that people create, and it's not all commercial stuff. It's just kind of stuff that people have created.
And even if we're all makers, we all have another part of us that's the rest of life. And so it's like where we talk about, you know, like we talked about family heirlooms the other day, and like why does that even matter, and what can you make into a family heirloom? And we've talked about like nerdy movie stuff, and it's really all over the place. It's stream of consciousness, but.
And we decided to make it some kind of official on 2015 at a campus party. So campus party is like a gathering, something like this, but we have business, technology, and a lot of stuff. So it's the biggest one in Mexico. The last one, the one this year was like 25,000 people surrounded, and it's a whole week, and you actually sleep there. They have a camping park, so it goes crazy.
Alright guys, that's the end of the day today, here Saturday. We're going to be heading back to DC after this. You got anything you want to say on the video? Real quick?
Yeah, just want to say we had fun. It was so much fun. We got to meet people, we got to reconnect with people, and we're always have fun at Maker Faire. So it's ninth year, next year, the 10th, we'll be back.
Alright guys, thanks again, and
Adios.
see you next year.
Adios.
If you guys like this project, then maybe you'll enjoy the podcast that I do with my 2 colleagues, Claudia and Ray. We discuss purpose-driven design, making, and manufacturing. We talk about architecture, we talk about all sorts of making. We have a project of the week. So yeah, please check it out. Again, it's called The Made Podcast. Thanks so much.